Welcome to the Activa Design Studio. We're excited to walk you through the choices available for your new Activa home. There are many options available for your new laundry room and your mudroom, whether combined or separate, that will make it more functional and allow you to add your own style. All of our laundry rooms come with a white laundry tub. But did you know you can upgrade your tub to a beautiful sink and cabinet combination? If you plan to have a side-by-side washer and dryer, we can add a countertop above to help laundry organization, and cabinets or floating shelves for storage. In your mudroom, we can create a remarkably functional room with storage cabinetry, seating, and a built-in bench. When you visit the design studio for your color selection appointment, you'll be able to see many of these upgrade options in person, and our design consultants can help you personalize these spaces based on your family's needs. To learn more about our standard and upgrade options available in each room of your new home, check out the rest of the videos in this series.